Hey guys, my name is Ehsas Kanjilal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So hey guys, I have a lot of stuff packed in for this video today, so I'll keep my rant short and sweet. So basically I've talked about, for the last couple of videos I've bored you with coronavirus, environment, and a bunch of other stuff, lockdown stuff. So today I'll talk about something which I relate to more, like I relate to because let's see, my results haven't come out yet. Delhi University results haven't come out yet, and so have many other results have been stopped, have been put to a halt for the virus, and it's frustrating. See, रिजल्ट आना मतलब क्या होता था स्कूल में, जब रिजल्ट आता था पीटीएम होता था तो घर जाके डांट पड़ती थी, या अनलाइक मी कुछ बच्चों को बहुत शाबाशी मिलती थी और कुछ बच्चों को बहुत डांट पड़ती थी, और कुछ बच्चे ऐसे थे कर लेंगे वाले बच्चे. सो बेसिकली क्या होता था, these results used to motivate us to do better. Or some kids are there who don't give a flying fish to the result. But yeah, I have always been one of those जिसको शायद रिजल्ट से फर्क ना पड़े but it is something to motivate or demotivate for my next exam. And I think because Delhi University के एग्जाम्स अभी तक तो कुछ बता नहीं रहे कि is it cancelled, is it not cancelled. So I don't know if that's a thing, but if it's not cancelled, I would like something to motivate me, and that would be my previous results. As much as I'm frightened कि ना आए, I really want them to come out. And so do these kids who have been stuck with, like 12th के बच्चे, somewhat 11th के बच्चे, they have this curiosity कि 12th में जाके क्या क्या हो जाएगा. Trust me, nothing happens. Nothing. There's no excitement for the future. Anyway, there's no excitement. And trust me, 12th के बच्चों, seriously, trust me. Anyway, it's frustrating कि मेरे results नहीं आ रहे हैं. I know many people will bash me about this. Many people will bash me about this कि मैंने बोला कि results क्यों नहीं आ रहे. But yeah, trust me, I want my results. I want to see how good or how bad I did. Like, just being very open about it, I guess. And see, I won't lecture you guys on anything today. I just wanted this to come out. And yeah, I will not bother you guys with a lecture today, so let's move on to the next part of my video, where I have a guest on my channel who will talk to you guys about stuff. So let's move on to that. But before that, you would know that I wouldn't let you go like this, would I? So let me burn your ears. थोड़े बदमाश हो तुम, थोड़े नादान हो. थोड़े बदमाश हो तुम, थोड़े नादान हो. हाँ मगर ये सच है, हमारी जान हो तुम. थोड़े बदमाश हो तुम, थोड़े नादान हो तुम. So today my guest, her name is Moushami Pal. She is an amazingly inspirational entrepreneur. She's one of the most renowned entrepreneurs in today's industry, and she has collaborated with biggest Bollywood stars, starting from Varun Dhawan, Salman Khan, and she is truly inspirational. Trust me when I say I have learned a lot from her. And to all the young, brilliant entrepreneurs out there, she's a true beauty and an inspiration to all of us. So let's go to the next part of my video where I introduce you to my guest and she inspires you with her words of wisdom. Sorry, words of wisdom. Let's go. Hi Moshmi, it's truly a pleasure to have you on my channel. I know you're very busy right now, so I won't take much time. I'll just jump on to the question. So my first question to you is, we as young entrepreneurs, I count myself, I don't know why, as a young entrepreneur, we as young entrepreneurs inspire to, you inspire us. We wish to become you someday. So what is it that keeps you so focused and keeps you working hard and smart in in daily life?
Yeah, thank you so much for um, thinking that I am worthy of, being interviewed for your YouTube channel. To me, it's very simple. A brand is a result of constant efforts and betterment. So I give three words too much importance in my life. One is the present, one is the past, and one is the future. So your present is very dependent on your past, and your future is very dependent on your present. So we can make it or break it by our constant effort. So for me, it's very simple. So mentoring is something which I give a lot of focus on. Constantly learning is something which is very important to me. So these all make hard work and smart work give equal importance, and that determines the success of an individual or a success of a brand. To sum it up, I would like to say, a very important famous quote which says, which is very instrumental for me every time I lose my hope or focus. So it says, give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend 4 hours sharpening the axe. This is a very famous quote by Mr. Abraham Lincoln.
Wow. Okay, so sorry, that was amazing. I am flabbergasted to speak to you. Anyway, so my next question to you is, you have overcome every obstacle that has come in your way. So what is it like, how did you start, to inspire so many people? Like what was it that made you, run towards the path of success?
Entrepreneurship in itself is a great journey. It isn't easy to convert one's dream into reality, and I think we're afraid of taking all the risks which come all the way. We procrastinate a lot, but for me also, it's not been easy. Say 7 years back when I decided that I want to do something on my own, because I've always been working on my own terms when it comes to the service, where I had to be an employee rather than an employer. So it was much easier. But due to a lot of ups and downs because of motherhood, work-life balance, struggling to make the most out of the best, wherein you have a family, you have a child, and you also have a dream or a passion to follow. That's when I took the difficult decision, and thought, okay, why not? Because each time you take a break, there's a huge lot of void which you need to go and complete and prove it to the world. And I also realized that it's not only me, there are various women from different profiles who are looking at doing the same thing. You have dreams which you want to pursue, you have goals, and you also don't want to let go of your family. So in such a situation, the best was to come up with your own setup. So I thought I could do great justice by using my
So, lastly, I know I'm taking a lot of your time, but lastly, so Bollywood is a large ocean with giant waves to tumble the newcomers. Any words of inspiration for all those newcomers who are just struggling to go their way up, but somehow are pulled down by so many star kids in the industry? I mean, the struggle is really, really hard for them. Any words of inspiration for them?
So I'm not the right person to give any advice to anyone who's looking to come to Mumbai or looking for a career in Bollywood, because there are ample of examples which we have around us to see that people coming in pursuit of name, fame, Bollywood, whatever. What brings them here is the most important question, and I think that is a dream. So, to me, dreams should not have any limitations. Dream big, achieve your goals or dreams. That's something very nice. But what message I would like to give here is that all dreams come with a guideline. Definitely follow the manual well, follow the guideline well, and that will help you to make it or break it.
Thank you so much, Maushami, for coming on my channel. It was truly a pleasure, and I love you so much for coming on my channel. Thank you so much. So, you heard what she said, and I'm sure she inspired a lot of you, and she definitely did inspire me because let's just put this out front. He struggling is real hard for the newcomers out in Bollywood, be it any industry, any film industry. Newcomers के लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. So that's something to think about. Why am I fumbling? That's something to think about. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, share it, comment on it if you hate it, comment on it if you like it, comment and share it. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that bell to turn on your post notifications, so whenever I upload the next time, you guys get notified. Bye for now. Let's see, it's night outside, so Shabbat khair. Bye.